everything going, man?
Yeah.
Sorry about your camera.
Just anything while I was gone?
Let's see. Not much, because last week I wasn't there, so I rested. But I think it was like, he told me yesterday, Friday. I don't think you wasn't there yesterday, Friday, were you? I wasn't either, so I rested on Friday. So he said it was like 2 guns. People had some guns on them. Yeah, there was some fights, and there was nothing earlier today. I mean, so I just got, well, came here like after 12, so.
Did you go to the protest?
No, I didn't really check out the protest. I think you did a video on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't really have time to go.
That was good. That was peaceful.
Yeah, better than LA.
It was so weird. I got there, and very quickly, I was by the Store of India, you know, that big sailing ship down there. I stayed by that, and it was shoulder to shoulder as far as I could see in every direction. I could see about 3 blocks. You know, with the signs, I could go tell where they are. It's a little bit scary, you know. It's like there's nowhere to go. Just somebody like something to go shoot. There was nowhere to go. It was just people.
And they're very peaceful, I heard.
Yeah. There was one lady that drove through the crowd, honking her horn with her middle finger up. And I thought she might either hit the gas or have her car turned over by one of those cars.
Oh.
I don't know what happened. She
like one of those car attacks that happened.
Yeah. And she had literally thousands of people in front of her. She thought she was going to go through there with her car at the height of it.
That's scary. And you think about it. It's like anything could happen. So I guess he's not going to jail.
Not too often you see it come out of handcuffs.
Yeah, I know. And making a phone call.
I see when I was watching from the camera, it looks very sober.
Yeah. Instead of intense.
I saw the cops go over here and they were talking to a bouncer or something.